how to run Facebook ads for cleaning business. So I'm going to show you how to run Facebook ads for cleaning business. Running Facebook ads for a cleaning business is a smart and cost-effective way to grow your client base and stay ahead of local competitors. First, you need to create your Facebook page. So you need to add the name of your cleaning business here, for example, Sparkle and Shine Co. Now you need to add your category here, for example, cleaning, house cleaning, and so on. Now you need to add also your Facebook page bio below. Make sure that this one is concise, perfect, and you can ask ChatGPT for a help to create a bio, but you can create your own. So once done, you can now review, and then after that you can proceed. Tap this blue button right here. Next, you need to add your website. If you have your website on your WordPress, or let's just say Wix, if you have Squarespace, then add it right here. Add your phone number. Now you need to add your address here. You need to add the zip code, also the city. You need to add here city, town, and then below you will see here hours available or open. You can tap on not available or always open, and I strongly suggest also this custom your time. So you can just basically select here the date, time of when you are open or not. Now you can proceed, and then here you can add your profile picture or photo and also your cover photo. You can use Canva to create profile photo and banner or cover photo. Don't worry, Canva is for free. Now, once you have your profile and your cover photo, you can now add an action right here. So you can customize your action. You will have your options here on the top, like book now, sign up, but you need to add a link here so that if they tap this one, they should click a link. It will take them directly to that specific website or link. So for the meantime, let's just use send message, confirm your Facebook page, and that's it. So once done, then you can now tap on next, wait for a couple of seconds. And then here you have to add your WhatsApp, but this one is optional. Add your friends, but this one is also optional. Well, you can do this one later. So basically what you're going to do is go to Meta Business Suite, and then this time you have to simply log into your Facebook page. Go to the left side, look for Ads Manager, and then this time you have to scroll down, look for campaign. You have your options right here. Tap on campaign, and then in this section or in this area, you can now create a campaign right here. So to start with your campaign, to start with your Facebook ads campaign, you have to simply click this one, create campaign. Now you have your options, your goal right here. You can tap on awareness. You can also tap traffic. So once you tap this one, you will see more information about what is this objective all about, engagement, leads, okay, so promotion, sales, and so on. So you can choose from any of this objective right here. Make sure that you know your objective or the campaign objective. So for the meantime, or for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to tap on engagement. Here is the definition or meaning of this, and then after that I'm going to tap on continue. So this campaign's objective is to engage yourself with people to like, view, and visit your website. Now it's loading creation now. Wait for a couple of seconds. Choose a campaign setup recommended as it is recommended settings. Now you can start with adding campaign name. So you can edit or you can have your own name right here. Feel free to replace this. Below you can see the budget or budget strategy. So if you tap this, you will have your option. So you can just basically choose for a daily budget or lifetime budget. Just set the amount right here. You will see the information below. Okay, so I strongly suggest daily budget. Now for ad set budget, then you can just basically read the following here, more information about this one, but most of the cases people use this campaign budget. Okay, so tap this one, and then this time let's tap on daily. You can schedule a budget right here if you want to set the time. Okay, and then you can also tap this, remove this period and add another period. So basically that's it. And now, a piece of reminder, running Facebook ads without careful budgeting can quickly drain your money with little return. So you need to be careful with budgeting when running Facebook ads. So double check always, and then proceed with your payment method after. So as you can see, you can also have the control for the audience or audience control for this account. So basically you can change everything here, and then once done, review again. So this is what it looks like. Now you can also add this A/B testing creative setting right here. Add creatives, everything is up to you. Now you can also go for identity. If you have your Instagram account right here, you can also link. Again, add creative. If you want to add images and videos, you can just basically click image add right here. Choose that specific picture or photo. Now you can upload from account, Instagram, and so on. So you can choose the ratio, square, vertical, or horizontal. Now once done, you can now add text, primary text, headline, subscription, and call to action. Okay, so once done, you can now proceed. And then basically that's it. So the very last thing here is, of course, once you have review your Facebook ads right here, you cannot run Facebook ads if you did not pay. So you have to proceed with the payment method because this one is not for free. The bigger you purchase, of course, the campaign is more visible to other places and other areas. So this is the sample. This is what it looks like. Now, in order for you to proceed or publish, you need to pay. So you have your option. For example, your payment method is credit or debit card. You just have to add your name right here, card details, card number, month, and CVV, and then after that, purchase. So basically, that's it. Once you have paid this one, then your ads will start on your Facebook ads. All you have to do is to wait and then renew again, set it again for daily budget with a specific amount. So I hope you learned how important it is or how beneficial it is to create or run Facebook ads, especially if you're running a business or if you have your services. I strongly recommend this, but first create a Facebook page. So basically that's it. That's how easy it is to run Facebook ads for cleaning business. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.